Today, we're gonna go explore some volcanoes. That'll be fun. I'm gonna try to get my drone to work too. What's up, guys? We are headed to the volcano. I'm kind of excited, but they say it's really cold, but I like the cold. But yeah, it'll be fun. Hopefully they let me fly my drone. Hopefully it's not too windy and I can show you guys stuff. Made it out to the volcano. It's not as cold as people would say, so I'm kind of disappointed because I'm wearing like a long sleeve hoodie situation right now. I don't know. People watching me because I'm vlogging. He's back there, you can see him. Anyways, yeah.
I'm really scared we're gonna slip and fall on my ass.
Same. I'm in this tube right now. It's pretty cool. Made it up to the Jagger Museum. It's called Thomas Jagger Museum. Whoa, look at that.
I told you, dude. I told you. Who told you?
I'll show you in a second. We're at the gift shop right now. Found this dope hat. I'm gonna get it. What?
I dare you to sit on this.
He's doing his vlog right now.
I'm gonna get it. So good. Strawberry and pina colada smoothie. Thank you, Coffee Mill Hawaii, for making me a really good strawberry pina colada smoothie.
Good ass smoothies.
Good stuff. Time to go to the Tibetan monastery. See you there. We stopped at, I don't know what anything's called over here. What's it called?
Whittington Beach Park
We stopped at Whittington Beach Park,
in Hawaii.
having a little picnic. Got a sandwich. Got a Sprite. Ooh, I'm a little burnt. Look at that. Wow, that looked great. Yeah, that's kind of it for right now. Unfortunately, I couldn't get drone shots at the volcano place because they just didn't allow drones. Nutter butter wafers. I've only seen them here. You know, one pack is $5.49 or 2 for $6, so I had to be a fat boy and go for $6 for 2 packs. They're really good. Check it out. I have it open right here. It's like, whoa. I'm on a tree and I can't get down. Just kidding. But I am on a tree.